It navigates by reading the ground below it. It's got two cameras that point to the ground, and that's how it figures out height. And if it can't read the ground, it will just freeze up and go, I'm lost. Fast in the wind, that's how you lost it last time. I hear it. Okay, I'm going against the wind now. This is my neighborhood. It's not bad, huh? I don't think I can afford it anymore. My sales are tanked. All right, so I hear it. We're good. Let's talk about something. Religion? Nah. I know, politics. No. Well, I guess there's not much to talk about. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I'm gonna follow my driveway.